In this video, I'm going to show you how to get work on Contra. So if you're a freelancer looking for clients without platform fees, Contra is a great place to showcase your skills and land projects. So first, before applying for work, make sure your portfolio stands out. You can use a professional profile picture, write a strong bio that highlights your expertise, and add relevant skills and experience so clients can find you. So the more complete your profile, the higher your chance of getting hired. So clients on Contra want to see a proof of your work. So you'll need to upload high quality projects that demonstrate your skills, write detailed descriptions explaining what you did, and then you can use tags and categories to make sure your work is easily discoverable. So a strong portfolio increases your credibility and attracts more clients. So to start applying to opportunities, Contra has a section where client posts jobs. So you can go to the opportunities in Contra, since as you can see on the left side there's no opportunities, but you will see there the discover and jobs, and so that's it. So you can check the dashboard first, so before applying. So as you can see, I have a zero discoveries. I think then I need to complete my profile. So you need to 100% complete your profile in order to work with your clients here in Contra. Now click the jobs, and then as you can see in here, you will see the hiring jobs that you can apply for. So you can write when applying. So you need to write a personalized pitch. So explain why you're a good fit, and then show your relevant experience with links to your project, and then keep it concise and professional, because the goal is to stand out and make a great first impression. So unlike other platforms, Contra allows direct connections, and then follow clients and engage with their posts, share your project to increase visibility, and message potential clients with a value driven approach. Not just say, hey, I need work, something like that. Don't do that. The building relationship leads to a long-term opportunity. So don't just rely on Contra alone. Bring in clients from the another platforms, and then share your Contra profile on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. So post your work in freelancer communities and optimize your social media bio with a clear call to actions. For example, hire me on Contra. So more exposure, more chances to land a work. And that's it. Now you know how to get work on Contra and start landing clients. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.